Energy Max presents to your attention a revolutionary patented product, Maxilin, the world's first fermented milk probiotic that is resistant to antibiotics. Biotechnologists of the Soviet Union have been developing for a long time, as a result of which a unique medication was created called Maxilin, which means maximum strength. The base of the Maxilin is a live bacterium which nature has given to all living beings. This bacterium is transmitted to a person already in the womb, and during the maturation of the fetus, protects it from all infections and viruses. Scientists consider it a gift of nature. Leading Soviet biotechnologists and doctors, using all their experience and knowledge, were not only able to isolate and preserve this bacterium, but also made it resistant to all types of antibiotics, thus creating the world's only natural probiotic with similar properties. The main function and feature of Maxilin is the creation of a unique microflora, in which the pH level is 7 and 8 increases to 7 and 9, while suppressing the growth of a wide range of pathogenic and putrid microorganisms, restoring the balance of the intestinal microflora, normalizing the digestive and protective function of the intestine, activating metabolic processes in the body, strengthening the immune system. It is also applicable after taking medications, antibiotics, chemotherapy, hormonal medicines, and radiation exposure. Maxilin synthesizes many micro and macronutrients in the body, as well as vitamins B1, B2, B6, B9, PP, E, C, and biotin, which help the body normalize the immune system and cope with infections. Maxilin is recommended for diseases of the gastrointestinal tract and liver disease. Helps with chronic pancreatitis, cholecystitis, applicable in all cases of intoxication and allergies. It is an excellent preventative tool for skin diseases, osteoporosis, sexual diseases, and cancer. Foreign investors, American pharmacologists, and Canadian biotechnologists were interested in this invention. Each of them was offered at different times for this discovery, from $100,000 to $1 million. But for patriotic reasons, all proposals were ignored. And so, in 2019, there was a fateful meeting of one of the developers, Professor Miroshnikov Grigory Ivanovich, with employees of Energy Max, as a result of which work on organizing the production of Maxilin began. Maxilin, an amazing development of brilliant scientists, has become available to all people of the world. Daily use of Maxilin reliably increases your immune system, and colds, all kinds of allergies will bypass your family. Maxilin, a real elixir for health, beauty, and longevity.